to another episode of NISCODE video lecture series. In this lecture, I'll be discussing the role of value-based education in Indian society. In India, value-based education is the real need of the hour. As we see how the society is diminishing in case of values day by day, it is necessary to develop the programs for inculcating values in the society. Today's Indian youths are a little bit confused because of the bombarding of the new technological devices, information explosion, and violent news by the press and media. To inculcate the value system in their confused mind and make them value-oriented powerful leaders, educational institutions should take the initiative to impart value-based spiritual knowledge to this generation. Everyone knows that life is precious, that life is important. We all protect our life because we care for it more than anything else. Everyone knows that life is precious, that life is important. We all protect our life because we care for it more than anything else. If life is so important, the values of life are even more important. Values are guiding principles or standards of behavior which are regarded desirable, important, and held in high esteem by a particular society in which a person lives. The importance of values and morals are the codes we live by in a civil and just society. They are what we use to guide our interactions with others, with our friends and families, in our business and professional behavior. Our values and morals are a reflection of our spirituality, our character. They are what we hope to model for our children and the children around us, because children do watch us as they develop their sense of right and wrong. Value education means inculcating in the children's sense of humanism a deep concern for the well-being of others and the nation. This can be accomplished only when we instill in the children a deep feeling of commitment to values that would build this country and bring back to the people pride in work that brings order, security, and assured progress. A person with proper values will not be afraid to face problems. He or she will expect and accept them as a part of life. He or she will expect and accept them as part of life. He or she will not give unnecessary importance to anything that happens in life. He or she will have complete faith in God. Such a person will be an example to the rest. Last but not least, we must love our own values in life to build a strong character. It will help us to lead our life as it should be led. The definition of value education is educating the child to harmonize every aspect of his being via spiritual, physical, emotional, intellectual, and psychological, so as to develop his personality in a holistic manner. India has a glorious reputation for being the land of wise and spiritually uplifted souls. Her people's innate sense of appreciation of life and fine values has added strength to the cultural ethos of the innumerable communities of different religions, ethos, and customs. Their strong principles have groomed them into rulers of the finest caliber. The warriors and clans people found in the Mahabharata have taught the world the value of courage, and examples like Indian King Harishchandra exemplifies the victory of human spirit over weak flesh. The social reformer Ambedkar stands for the very essence of joyful and vibrant existence in the face of oppressive casteism. The Indian Queen Rani Jhansi, who led the Indian soldiers in a battle against the British in the very first Indian War of Independence, manifests the never say die spirit. The noble and compassionate King Ashoka teaches the very concept of compassion and mercy, the Indian leader Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi shows us the power of non-violence, and the list goes on. These men and women have proved that the temper of soul strength measures success and not material gains or status. Such men and women stand tall because they teach us the significant message that humanity's dreams and visions are born out of the noble values that they have cherished throughout their lives. Indian epics such as Ramayana and Mahabharata have given the utmost importance to the ideal man or woman possessed of virtues who are role models to the humankind. These epics and Panchatantra stories that emphasize the need for personal values have long been the traditional resources to impart value education to Indian students. The Tirukkural, a compendium of couplets in Tamil, presents 1330 values. And these values that its author Tiruvallur espouses are still held as a models of a virtuous human being in Tamil Nadu, where Tiruvallur lived. Let's look into the role of value-based education in society. Education is the vehicle of knowledge, self-preservation, and success. Education not only gives a platform to succeed, but also the knowledge of social conduct, strength, character, and self-respect. The greatest gift education gives us is the knowledge of unconditional love and a set of values. These values include the simple difference between right and wrong, a belief in God, the importance of hard work and self-respect, and the education is a continuous learning experience, learning from people, learning from leaders and followers, and then growing up to be the person we are meant to be. Value-based education is a threefold development of any individual, of any gender and age, but most importantly of a child. Education tries to develop three aspects: physique, mentality, and character. Even though physique and mentality are important, they are menaces without the third, because character is the greatest of these. Education plays a huge role in precisely this area. Value-based education is a tool which not only provides us a profession which we can pursue, but also a purpose in life. The purpose of our life is undoubtedly to know oneself and be ourselves. We cannot do it unless we learn to identify ourselves with all that lies. The objective of education in a country like India, which has a glorious heritage and can boast of diversity in geography, culture, values and beliefs very rarely seen in this wide world, should be to educate a student of the value system which is indispensable to live a successful life. Due to liberalization, industrialization and globalization, rapid changes are occurring in almost all social sciences. The value possessed and their attitudes according to the changes should be known up to date, vast changes are occurring in the field of education. So-called philosophical foundations of India are declining day to day with the country in a state of social turbulence. The goals and functions of formal education need to be reassessed and updated. In such a situation, it is very important for someone to lay down basic principles for us so that we may lead a brightened life. No matter the stepping stones of success hits us hard, we on the basis of these principles that can guide our life. Thus, value education completes this need very easily with an impact on the young minds, making the world a better place to live in.